Hey, what's up, Tron holders? So welcome to a new brand video about Tron, my brother. And this video we will predicate this coin, we will do a technical analysis, and also what's the update about my brother's Tron. And this time absolutely all crypto market is not compatible, but Tron, one of the unique my brothers to this time, absolutely goes up and completely go in the moon, my brother. Let's see, my brother, but kindly please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important to use subscribe our YouTube channel because CBSC channel will guide you, update you. And last 7 days, my friend, you can see your all chain occur completely gonna be positive now, and that is very good, my friends. About Tron 2, my brother, this time is in the profit now, my brother. From last 1 month, my brother, all currency is fails down, but Tron is absolutely, you can see your last 7 days chart is also chain occur is also is on the screen. So this is absolutely positive now. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will also move upward. So holder also ask these, my brothers, to please tell us in upcoming time this is possible to they will hit 0.1 cent, and absolutely this is possible, my friends. So they will hit 0.1 USD dollar, but just in only that's need your focus to you hold. If you are hold, so I hope, my brother, they will move upward, and if you are investing more and more, so they will moving upward. So kindly, my brother, that's all just and only depends on you. Kindly, if you hold, so they will move upward, but if you starting selling, then definitely they will fail us down. So and last 7 days chart is showing you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a chances so they will move upward, because, my brother, the arrows is moving upward. If the arrows direction is moving downward, so absolutely they will go in the loss now, like that. Absolutely, after a fail, every coin will take a very huge jump now. So I hope, my brother, you can see here in upcoming time they will move upward, but just in only if you hold it. So hold, I hope they will move upward. Thanks for watching. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. ABS channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. Allah Hafiz, take care.